Good afternoon. Today we are finishing up with PO54. Is it a PO or a CO? I don't even remember. PO54. So we're looking at those last two pages. So number one says we have a gopher hole, 3 gopher holes, and the holes increase by 2 each day. We're going to label the x-axis down here, number of days, and that y-axis, the y always goes up and down, that's gopher holes. And assign up values in increments of 1. So when we're looking at it, both the x and the y are going to be in increments of 1. So I'm going to number them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. And going up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on going up. Plot the point representing the number of gopher holes for days 0 to 8. How many gopher holes did we have on day 0?
3.
Say that again, Grayson? 3, because we looked outside and there were 3 gopher holes. So we started off with 3 holes already. Then on day 1, it increases by how many? Increases by 2. So on day 1, we're at 5. Then on day 3, we're going to be at 7. So you need to keep increasing it up through 8 days. What is the slope of the line? So you need to keep it going for days 0 to 8. So go all the way to 8. So this is going to keep going up. Oops, 11. Okay, so what would my slope be? Look at how I'm plotting my dots. This one I didn't put on day 3, I put it on day 4 by mistake. So if I were to keep on plotting those dots, what would the slope be of my line? Okay? 2 over 1. Because remember that slope is the rise over the run. Now I need to write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So remember that slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Do I know what the m is? Yeah. Do I know what the b is?
Yes.
So if I have y equals, what's my slope? My m is my slope, 2 over 1 times x plus what?
3.
How did you know it was 3, Gabe?
Because it started at 3.
Because 0, 3 is the y-intercept. Because we started on 3 when we were at day 0. James?
I feel super square.
Good. How many gopher holes will there be after 14 days? Henry?
There's going to be 31.
Yeah, because if we put in 14 for number of days, that's our x, plus 3. 2 times 14 is 28, plus 3 is 31. So there'll be 31 gopher holes when we get to the 14th day.
I got 21.
Did you do 2 times 14?
I'll just get the 28 plus 3.
And then the plus the 3. So we want to put the x, the number of days, in for the x. And then we knew our slope was 2 over 1. So we multiply it by 2. And then we add our 3. Does that make sense, James? Okay. So we've got 3 more that you're going to work on, and we will correct. Yeah, we've got the one on the bottom. and then 2 on the next page. You guys don't have the next page? Uh-huh. Okay, in my manual, there was a next page. Lucky you, you're gonna do that bottom one on your own.
There were 4. There were
It-
4 pages.
Originally, 3 years ago, when I first started teaching it, and then he got rid of that one.
Oh, thanks.
All right. So I'm going to stop the recording. You're listening to this at home. Hope you are well. We will correct this last one when we correct again. Have a wonderful day.